On the film production course, we give the students an insight into the film industry from a crew point of view. They learn about the roles of director, producer, editor, sound recordist.
So students will write scripts, they'll make short films, they'll make documentaries. There are students who are interested in crossing the line, so factual drama, high concept short films, and that's even before we go into genres. Horror, sci-fi, comedy. As they kind of move up through the degree, they can write something for television or streaming, so for Netflix or for Amazon. Having a good script there, having a good story is the basis for any good film.
Here we are an Avid learning partner. So Avid's a manufacturer of post-production hardware and software. Every Oscar film for the last 2 years has been edited on Avid. It's key that students do understand, the higher end post-production software.
So what do you think of that Tune for Chances?
Oh, it was delicious, babe.
We've invested heavily over the years and we now have a number of Blackmagic cinema cameras, Blackmagic Ursa cameras, which record 2.5K and 4K. The students can take a moving camera module in second year and third year in which they can be trained up as grips, as Steadicam operators. We have tracks, dollies, cranes. The students have a multitude of lighting equipment, Rotolight, Arri lights, for example, which are industry standard lighting equipment. We have DaVinci Resolve, which the students can colour grade and colour correct their footage. We have Pro Tools for sound, and the students have a lot of equipment and a lot of software they can use in their productions.
But that's not to say there's no theory involved at all. So they need to know a bit of the history, a bit of the cultural aspects of filmmaking, what's popular at the minute, and how they can apply them to their practical work within the programme as well.
We want them to really care and be passionate about film and film production.
The lecturers on this course are actually very approachable and they always motivate us to think about our creative ideas.
One of the things that I've benefited from being on this course is seeing people who have developed their filmmaking skills. It's given me almost a standard to reach.
This is a full-on 24/7 non-stop course if you want to get good results and good marks. Prepare to put extreme amount of work in. This isn't a traditional degree.
The modules have been structured in a way across the 3 years to make the students employable. That is what we want from the students at the university.
So a lot of our students have gone on to pre-production roles, script writing, to recent students where they've worked on Downton Abbey, some of the Marvel movies.
Setting up their own companies, doing sort of advertising. One of our ex-students is a video producer who's actually making this film.
Oh, I do like that.